Welcome to That's Amazing Protection Glass Installation Guide. In this video, I'll walk you through what's included in your purchase and the exact steps needed for a seamless install. This protection glass is made to ease cleaning of fingerprints and dust. Made for Model 3 and Y Tesla touchscreens. Included is a screen protector, microfiber cleaning cloth, 2 wet wipes, 2 dry wipes, and guide and dust stickers. Step 1 and 2, turn off air and roll up windows for optimal conditions. Turn on screen cleaning mode. Step 3, clean the touchscreen with provided wet and dry alcohol wipes. Make sure you are thorough when drying the screen for a clean and dust-free surface. For the direction of the screen protector when installing, the pull tab is to be installed to the right bottom corner of the touchscreen. Red tab facing the screen. Step 4. Placing the guide stickers along the top keeps the screen protector in place for install accuracy and complete coverage of touchscreen. Remember to place the red pull tab toward the screen in the bottom right corner for optimal coverage and bubble-free install. Step 5 and 6. When pulling back the film, do so from right to left. Hold screen protector from the edge for smudge-proof install. Guide your finger from the center to the edges, drawing out air to create a clean, bubble-free touchscreen. Step 7 and 8. After drawing out the air, you want to clean the screen using the microfiber cloth provided. When the screen is wiped clean, exit the screen cleaning mode to go back to functioning mode. This is the perfect time to take off the guide stickers. Thank you for your purchase of That's Amazing Protection Glass. Feel free to email us at the email provided. Protect your assets.